ano pa yung energy natin. Okay, one more time. Sino ulit yung ating Asian Superstar? Also on the screen, Asian Superstar and Backo Brand Ambassador, Catherine Bernardo! Oh my God! I'm good, Ate. How are you?
I'm good!
Ate Kat, tingnan mo naman yung mga KB buddies natin!
Welcome back to us. It's good to see you guys again. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. To all our Bangko Mares and Bangko Mares, happy Saturday! Hello!
Oh my gosh, punong-puno. Diba? Ang plaza natin for the one and only Catherine Bernardo! Okay. Ate Kat, of course, let's take our seats.
Okay.
Naman. Yes. O diba? Kamustahan? Kung Tita Ayana. Okay.
How are you, Ayana?
I'm good, Ate. How are you?
Super busy months, but I'm very happy because, you know, itong event na to natuloy din. It's been a year or so, I think, para maging magkatotoo itong ATM card natin. And now it's finally happening. I'm glad we're all here today. And it's been a good week, especially yesterday was a very, very special day. Magchichika tayo dyan mamaya. But thank you so much. And yes, marami tayong pag-uusapan.
Marami Ate, and we are so excited to learn from you today. But first things first, congratulations on Someone Someday. Guys, napanood yun na, diba? Yes. Kamusta si Ate Kat doon? Napakagaling. Yes! I love it. Sobrang ganda niya always. Parang lagi kang blooming, Ate.
Simula lang yun. Pero yes, another episode tonight. May the-drop it.
Oh my gosh, we can't wait for the night. But of course, Ate Kat, alam naman natin, first of all, nakita mo na ba yung ATM card mo?
Picture lang. Picture lang. Hindi ko pa siya
There
makikita.
it is.
Ayan! Okay. Wow! Kamusta?
Sino pa? Ah, we have it
Ang
here.
maraming picture!
Napakabongga, Ate. How do you feel that you are the face of an ATM card? Part pa ka ng bucket list mo, Ate?
Alam mo, never ko naman siya in-expect na mangyayari, but it's cool, I think. You know, you don't get to see your face on an ATM card every day, right? So, thank you to my Bangko family for making that happen. And more than that, hopefully, it will bring, you know, smiles sa mga Bangko Mares and Bangko Pares natin. Also, I'm glad I did it with my Bangko fam. Diba? It's a good reminder na sana every time they see that card na, oh, okay, it's time to save up again, or it's time to invest in my future. You know, maybe it's a good reminder more than my face being there.
Yes. Parang feel ko, Ate, pag ito yung card ko, mamomotivate talaga akong magtrabaho. Bumili ng kotse, di ba? Para maging ka-level ko si Ate Kat. Ganon. Pero sobrang ganda, Ate. I feel like you never saw this coming in your whole lifetime.
Yes, no talaga. And like what I said kanina, it's been a year or so na since they mentioned this to me. Parang ang chubby chicks ko pa na dito. Tagal na when we shot this also. So, finally, nangyari na siya. And I think it's worth the wait.
Sobrang ganda ng card and sobrang worth it talaga. And also, Ate Kat, I love how you mentioned na when you see your face in this card, mamomotivate ka to save up, to, you know, be responsible with your savings, your earnings. So, ikaw, Ate, I know that you're very responsible, you're independent when it comes to your savings. So, ano ba ang mga money tips mo sa ating mga kabangko?
Money tips, I try to be responsible. And I think my mom is a big part of that. When it comes to saving, siya yung pinaka, I would like to say she's like my mentor. When it comes to handling my finances. Diba, as you all know, I started working at a very young age. So, when I started working, maaga rin ako nag-start mag-ipon. So, more than earning the money, it's more of, laging in-instill sa akin ng mom ko na it's okay to learn how to save also at a very young age. So you earn, natututo ka paano, gaano kahirap kumita ng pera, but more importantly, matuto ka kung paano mo i-save yung pinaghirapan mo. So siguro growing up, yun lang yung nasa isip ko palagi, how important it is to save for your future. And ngayon na I'm 30, I turned 30, mas lalo kong na-appreciate yung tinuro sa akin ng mom ko. And until now, I continuously learn from my mom, not just my mom, pero yung ibang nagme-mentor din sa akin in a way when it comes to finances. Kasi, diba, sino ba yung may ayaw na secure na future? And I think it's good to start at a very young age para your future self will thank you for that for sure.
Ate, I have to know, personal question, pero I'm sure a lot of us will also learn from this.
Okay.
How old were you when you were like, okay, kailangan ko na talaga maging as in a saver? Kasi minsan, di ba kapag bata pa tayo, medyo tayo masaya, oh my gosh, may
Yeah,
sayo
bilhin ka na to.
ako, bilhin ka
Tapos
na
na, siguro, I was aware when I started working at 6. So, syempre, hindi mo pa naman alam, you know, you don't think of those things when you're a kid. Siguro medyo nag-start ako nung medyo like grade 6, I would say. Mga ganon. Kasi usually si mama bibigyan ako ng allowance. And then nag-start siya na bibigyan ka ng weekly allowance. And then kailangan umabot yun from Monday to Friday. So you can bring your baon or you can bring this to school. And then ikaw yung bahala mag-budget kung paano mo pagkakasya yun. So I think it started from that. Yung parang may sense of responsibility in a way na this your money, ikaw na bahala magpagkasya dyan. Pero kung di umabot, then do better next week. So feeling ko yun yung nakatulong. So mas naging aware ako kung paano i-handle yung money ko nung medyo college na. And then every time naman may tanong ako, my mom is there para i-guide ako, saan ba okay investo, medyo sumusobra ka na, magastos, ganyan. So now, I make it a point na, for example, my savings, 50% goes to my savings. And then 50% sa lahat ng mga kailangan natin bayaran, tax, everything, all the expenses and all, but dapat secured yung 50% ko. Para in the future, maybe when I have my own family or whatever I want to do, if I want to travel, I get my money from that savings.
Sobrang bongga. Ako kasi dati nung grade school ako, Wednesday pa lang ubos na yung ano ko eh.
Minsan, ganyan, tapos magtuto ka, oh my God, sugutom ka.
Yes. Thursday, Friday, wala na akong baon ate. Pero bongga, you started really young and being very responsible with your money. And you also talked about ate, syempre, you have your investments. And business, I think your businesses are part of that. I have to know, ate, tell us about your businesses. How was the investment process like for you?
I think the investments, medyo recently ko lang yan, like, natutunan. So, we have Isla Amara. I don't know if nakapunta na kayo in El Nido. And then, we are launching something really, really special also that's so close to my heart this year. That's another business coming. And then, my mom is a big fan of real estate too. So, I think yun yung nakuha ko sa kanya, investing in properties. And, ang pinaka-important, investing in yourself. You know, you need to keep learning, you need to keep growing, keep improving. And I think yun yung best investment na masasabi kong gawin nyo din, invest in yourself. And, ayun lang, siguro hindi ko lang minadali yung sarili ko because, syempre, yung industry natin, it can change overnight. So, yes, I'm earning today, pero hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari tomorrow. So, maganda rin na may investments tayo just to, you know, secure future and to, to secure future.
That's true. Kasi like what she mentioned, our industry very erratic kasi siya and very unpredictable. And that actually leads me to my next question, ate. I'm sure
Meron hindi kayo alam, that's okay. And then if you need help, that's okay too. And I think that's also good talaga with Bangko, with BPI and Bangko of course. Kasi you can go there anytime and then if you have questions, may explain nila ng maayos sa'yo. Hindi ka, alam mo yun, hindi ka matatakot magtanong. So feeling ko, ako na, you know, I have so many questions, I'm still learning how to invest and all. Malaking bagay sa akin na meron akong matatanungan and magsasagot lahat ng tanong ko na yun. So we have Bangko for that, of course. Yun lang.
I love it, diba? Marami tayong I think support system is very, very important talaga. Support system around you. But, ate, Besides from you having your support system around you, you mentioned having a plan B, preparing for, again, the unexpected. As a daughter, as a businesswoman, as an actress, how do you plan out those different strategies and how do you prepare for those different strategies kung mag-isa ka lang, ate?
Definitely, hindi ko siya kayang mag-isa. But, I think preparation starts with being proactive rather than reactive. So, financially, I make it a point to, plan ahead and ensure I have options available in case kung ano man yung mangyari. And siguro, instead of just being, mag-react ka lang sa nangyari, kailangan, okay, ano gagawin ko next? Kasi usually, yung common reaction talaga natin is, oh my God, magpapanik ka na. Diba? Like, what do you do? It's your money. And then, what do I do next? So, in order to prevent that, I think preparation really, really helps. Well, as for me, I don't know with you, how do you handle pag may mga ganong surprises? I think you learn from it talaga, pero wala, just have to be prepared.
Parang iyak now, tapos prepare later. Ganun talaga.
Dapat prepare now, iyak later.
Yes, prepare now, iyak later.
I want to reward myself with this trip. Kunwari kung saan naman bansa. And then, you have a goal in mind. So now, every time may dadating sa'yo na money, may motivation. So, tama lang.
Yes, reasonable splurge.
Splurge, yes, because you have to reward yourself din, di ba? Pero don't overspend, I think. So, bilhin mo lang yung mga dapat kailangan, buying your needs instead of wants. And then, budgeting helps, monthly budgeting.
Monthly budgeting, o diba? Yes.
Yeah.
Alam, ang sobrang cute ng mga TV buddies mo, ate. Lahat sila.
May mga ipon yung mga yan.
Yes,
Very good
mga
yan.
people talaga sila. Uy, gusto, ipakita niyo naman kay Ate Kat yung beautiful smile ninyo. Ganon.
Sobrang, nakikita ko na almost everyday this month. Pero, yan sila, may mga work din sila. And then, lagi ko sinasabihan na hindi naman kailangan, like, kunwari may event na to, malayo yun ang gastos na pupunta. Okay lang to show your support online or whatever, di ba? Kasi may ibang priorities din sila. Ang mahal ng pamasahe ngayon, kung saan nila ako susundan. So, mga masisipag sila, pero maipon din yung mga
Yes. Grabe
Good
yung
example.
people nila, ate. I swear. Kasi kanina tinanong ko sila kung may mga businesses ba sila.
Ano no?
Sabi nila, yes, di ba meron? May mga businesses kayo. Okay, syempre ate, as a businesswoman naman, what is your best advice to your supporters who are here now na magsa-start ng business or who are currently handling a business?
Alam nyo, kung ano man yung naiisip ng business ngayon na gawin, just do it. If you have the money, you have the time, and it's something that you really, really love, gawin nyo na. And I think kung kailangan nyo ng support, or especially financially, or whatever it is, ang ganda kasi meron kayong bangko na tutulong kung ano man yung gusto nyong gawin na yun. Hindi kayo matatakot kasi may back up sa inyo. So, kung ano man yung plano nyo, of course, kailangan maging matipid, maging practical, especially sa hirap ng buhay ngayon. Pero do something that gives you joy, whatever business that is, pwedeng siya yung uso ngayon, pero yun talaga yung gusto mo, you'll just feel it. And also, siguro, like, paulit-ulit ko lang sinasabi kanina, you just have to be prepared kung ano man yung magiging desisyon nyo na yun. So, important siguro na ilaan nyo yung mga pera nyo sa tamang paglagyan. Like, i-budget nyo siya, and you never know, malay nyo yung business na yun na hindi nyo sinisimulan, that will change your life, right? So, ganun din, kahit sa projects na ginagawa ko, hindi mo naman sure kung magugustuhan siya ng tao, but if it's something you believe in, kung itataya mo dun yung passion mo and everything you like, then hindi mo alam kung ano yung pupuntahan na. So, might as well, taya mo na, right? So, gawin mo na. But, of course, you have to be real also na kailangan meron kang plan A, B, and C. Yun lang.
I love it.
G!
Oh my gosh! Bawal mahulog yung mga balloon. Oh my gosh! 10 seconds and 40
10 seconds and 40 million.
seconds?
10.4.
Okay. Grabe yung player number 1 natin. 10 seconds. Okay, player number 2, kaya mo ba?
Kung kaya, faster.
Okay, try natin 9 seconds ha. Okay. We start in 3, 2, 1, Bako Happiest na go! Oh my gosh! 8.63! Grabe yun! Ate ko, kaya mo?
8 seconds win. Sid.
Okay. Grabe yung meron dito, challenge 5 seconds daw ate. Kaya mo?
Kayang-kaya.
Kayang-kaya?
Yeah?
Okay. Player number 3, Bako Happiest na go! Oh my gosh!
Short mo pa yan.
Oh my gosh! Ang galing!
Good job.
6 seconds and 33 milliseconds. Wow.
5 pa actually. May siya na-stop. It was faster pa.
Napakabongga! Grabe talaga yung mga everybody's natin. Let's welcome them on stage. Our grand winner has a photo op with Ate Kat. Congratulations! Thank you so much and congratulations!
Congratulations.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we have Edna Villegas, Christian Algen. Okay, Roman Tarola, Jennifer Dael, and Marva Loctores. Okay, there we go. I think we are missing one more. Ay, buti na ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. May isa pa po na missing. Once again, Edna, Christian, Roland, Jennifer, and Marva. Okay. First things first, Team Niti, sino ang player number 1? Okay. 33, 32, 30, 29. Alas! 26 seconds left. Okay. Let's see kung abot in under 1 minute. Oh my gosh, Kelly ba? Last player, kaya mo ba? Five, four, three, two. Okay. So we were able to get the answer in 57 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. Team Ngiti, thank you so much. You guys can take your seats muna. Ngayon naman, it's time to call on Team Happy who needs to finish before 57 seconds. Team Happy, let's call on Venus Ann, Angelica Mafuri, Michael Tadasio, Amy Ordonez, and John Romero.
This na parang, oh my gosh, di ko lang alam. Pag na may memorize, pero may mga ano siya. Sometimes,
Tips.
yeah, cut ko.
15 seconds down. Nasa player number 2 pa rin tayo. Okay, player number 3. Okay. Oh my gosh, 29 seconds left.
Pass the message. Isulat pa.
Parang feel ko ate, di ko kaya ito. 15 seconds left. Oh my gosh. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time's up.
Time is up. The game has ended. Ngayon naman, Ate Kat, this is the real challenge.
Okay.
Kailangan natin
Dahil hindi na nakapag
Yun na?
This is kasi sa atin!
ang mas masaya, no? So, ano yun?
Okay. Gusto mo malaman natin, ano nga ba ang totoong message?
Ang totoong message, medyo mahaba siya, kaya sinabi ko, cut it into two para mas maalala. So, mas masaya sa Hapiesta dahil iba ang saya kapag may Instacash po ngayon ka.
Okay, dahil dyan,
Ito,
ang winner is...
Team Liti!
Congratulations, Team Kitty! Dahil dyan, meron po kayong puro pagawa ng Miss Catherine Bernardo. Okay, let's all smile in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Team Kitty! Thank you so much, Team Kitty. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much po. Yes, thank you so much, Ate Kat. And syempre, tandaan po natin, nandyan ang Instacash ko line sa oras na biglaan dahil talaga naman, yes, maaasahan nyo ang Instacash ko line care of Bangko. Kaya palakpakan po natin ang Bangko. And of course, hindi makukompleto ang happiest kung wala tayong happy picture taking. Kaya naman, simulan muna natin, ate, with our Bangko Mancom to please come up on stage to have our photo up with our brand ambassador, Miss Catherine Bernardo. Once again, we have here our Bangko Mancom. Okay, let's all set up our mga position natin. Okay. Before anything, syempre, our official photographer is here. Okay. Maraming salamat sa our Bangko Mancom and executive selfie muna. Selfie! Okay, one more selfie with our Bangko Mancom. There you go. Thank you so much po. Sa our Bangko Mancom, maraming salamat. Mga cables natin. Sa lahat din po ng mga kabangko natin, thank you guys so much for joining us dito sa happiest Instacash Go Live event. Dito sa Paris Plaza. Okay, now I would like to ask everyone to please take your seats. Yes. Let's all take our seats muna. Okay. Maraming salamat, Katie Lloyd. Okay. Before anything ate, syempre, I'm sure you have one last final message sa lahat ng mga kabangko dito, ate. Go ahead.
Thank you again sa lahat ng pumunta ngayon. And I think lahat kayo nakakuha na ng ATM cards. Kayo ang first na nakakuha. Nauna din pa ako. So yan, maraming salamat also to my Bangko family for making this possible. Maraming salamat po. Of course, to my supporters, congratulations to us. It's been a busy but blessed week para sa atin. So, thank you for supporting not just Someone Someday but also lahat ng mga brands na nagmamahal sa akin, including Bangko. So, ingat kayo lahat ngayon. Have a beautiful weekend and congratulations again.
Once again, palakpakan po natin our Asian superstar and Bangko's brand ambassador, Catherine Bernardo! Sabihin niyo na, so huwag po magtulakan. Yes, please support me.